Let's look at the Sage 200 Power BI Sales Analysis report in further detail. The Sales Analyze dashboard has seamless integration with Excel, so you can quickly identify and fix errors, as well as a drill-through feature where you can focus on your revenue, orders, customers, and trends for more detailed insights. For example, you can rank your account managers by sales performance. Visualize trends with month-to-month comparisons, enabling you to spot key areas for growth or improvement. Analyze your customers by performance and create bespoke reports specifically for each department of your business. You can share reports via one link, but control what each department can see. See where you are making the most money by product and product group, and focus your resources and effort on the most lucrative segments. Spot potential stocking issues for your top products and ensure that you have enough supply to meet the demand. If you click on the Ranking tab, you can also see how your sales performance varies by account manager, product group, and customers. We hope you enjoyed that short video overview of the Sales Analysis dashboard. Find out more about Sage 200 Power BI. Request a demo by contacting the CPIO expert team and speak to us about pricing and tailored options for your budget.